Picture this, a mid-sized ship that has quietly built up a loyal following over the years, sailing to some of the most sought-after corners of the world without the crowds of a megaliner. The Norwegian Jade sits in that sweet spot where cruisers find plenty to do but never feel lost in a sea of thousands. It has become one of those vessels that regulars keep coming back to, season after season. For anyone considering their next voyage, this ship deserves a proper look. It combines the casual freestyle cruising approach the line is famous for with a size that feels manageable and warm. Think of it as the friendly neighborhood option in a fleet of giants. The following review walks through what life on board actually looks like, from the cabins to the dining rooms, the pools to the shore adventures. Whether someone is planning their first cruise or their 50th, there is something here worth knowing about the Jade. The staterooms on the Norwegian Jade cover the full range that most cruisers expect from a modern ship. Inside, cabins provide the most budget-friendly option, designed for guests who plan to spend most of their time out enjoying the ship rather than in the room. They are compact but thoughtfully arranged, with comfortable bedding and enough storage to handle a week or two at sea. Ocean view rooms bump things up by adding a window, which makes an enormous difference when waking up on a sea day. Watching the horizon shift while getting ready in the morning is one of those small pleasures that cruise veterans cherish. These rooms tend to be a favorite for solo travelers and couples who want a taste of the outdoors without paying premium prices. Balcony staterooms are where a lot of guests find their happy medium. Having a private outdoor space to sip morning coffee or watch a sunset in pajamas is the kind of experience that turns first-time cruisers into lifelong fans. The balconies are furnished simply but comfortably, and they make even a rainy afternoon at sea feel special. Then there are the suites, which offer noticeably more space and elevated finishes. Guests in suite categories often enjoy priority perks like earlier boarding, dedicated dining areas, and concierge-style service. For travelers celebrating a milestone or simply wanting to treat themselves, this is where the Jade delivers a genuinely upscale feel. Accessible cabins are available for guests with mobility needs, featuring wider doorways, roll-in showers, and grab bars where they matter most. Families traveling together can find connecting rooms and larger suites that accommodate multiple generations under one roof. The layout options make it fairly easy to keep everyone close without stepping on each other's toes. Rooms come equipped with modern touches like flat-screen televisions, in-room safes, and climate controls that guests can actually adjust to their liking. Bathrooms are efficient but pleasant, with decent water pressure and toiletries provided. Nothing feels over the top, but everything works, which is honestly what most cruisers care about. Dining is where the Norwegian Jade really leans into its freestyle philosophy, and it shows in the variety on offer. Guests are not tied down to a fixed dinner time or an assigned table, which frees up the evening to unfold naturally. Some nights call for a long, leisurely meal, and others call for grabbing something quick before a show, and the ship accommodates both moods gracefully. The main dining rooms serve rotating menus with a mix of classic favorites and dishes that reflect the destinations being visited. Steaks, seafood, pasta, and vegetarian choices all make regular appearances. Service in these venues tends to be friendly and unhurried, which many guests appreciate after a long day ashore. For a more casual bite, the buffet-style venue offers a wide spread that changes throughout the day. Breakfast is usually the busiest time, with everything from made-to-order omelets to pastries, fresh fruit, and heartier options for those planning big excursions. Lunch and dinner buffets rotate through international themes, giving guests a chance to sample different cuisines without committing to a full sit-down meal. Specialty restaurants are where the Jade shines for guests wanting to elevate a particular evening. Steakhouse-style venues, Italian trattorias, and Asian-inspired concepts each carry their own cover charge but consistently earn praise for the quality of ingredients and preparation. Booking these in advance is smart, especially on shorter cruises when demand runs high. Themed dinners and special culinary events occasionally pop up during longer voyages, giving guests a chance to try something outside the daily rotation. These are often tied to the regions the ship is sailing through, which adds a nice sense of place to the meal. It turns dinner into a small event rather than just another sitting. Bar offerings across the ship cover just about every mood. There are lively lounges with live music, quieter spots for a nightcap, poolside bars for something tropical, and pub-style venues where guests can watch sports or enjoy a beer with friends. Cocktail menus tend to be creative without being pretentious, and beverage packages are available for those who want to keep things simple. Coffee lovers will find dedicated cafes serving specialty espresso drinks alongside pastries and light snacks. These become gathering spots throughout the day, especially in the morning when guests are planning their next move. It is one of those small luxuries that makes ship life feel a bit like being in a favorite European neighborhood. Out on deck, the pool areas serve as the social heart of the ship during sunny sea days. The main pool draws families and groups looking to splash around, cool off, and enjoy the music and activity that usually surrounds it. Deck chairs fill up quickly on port-free days, so early risers tend to have their pick of the prime spots. Whirlpools scattered around the deck give guests a chance to soak and relax while still enjoying the view. They are especially inviting on cooler days at sea or in the evening when the sun starts to dip. Many cruisers make a habit of catching sunset from one of these tubs with a drink in hand. For adults looking for a quieter experience, dedicated adult-only areas provide a retreat from the busier family zones. These spaces tend to be calmer with the volume turned down and a more relaxed pace. It is the kind of spot where guests can actually finish a book without interruption. The pool deck also serves as the venue for various activities during the day, from live music to poolside games and casual gatherings. Bars and grill stations keep guests fed and hydrated without needing to head indoors. There is something inherently relaxing about a burger and a cold drink with the ocean stretching out in every direction. Sun decks above the main pool area offer additional lounging space with panoramic views. These upper decks tend to be less crowded and are great for guests who just want to soak up the sun or take in the sea air. Walking laps around the upper decks is also a popular morning ritual for those wanting a bit of exercise before breakfast. When it comes to onboard activities, the Norwegian Jade offers enough variety to keep guests busy without overwhelming them. The fitness center is well equipped with cardio machines, weights, and space for stretching or personal workouts. Early morning is the golden hour for gym-goers who want to exercise with a view of the sunrise over open water. Sports facilities on deck give guests a chance to burn off some of that buffet indulgence. Basketball, table tennis, and other casual games are usually available for anyone in the mood. It is the kind of playful atmosphere that makes even non-athletes want to give something a try. Entertainment in the evenings is a highlight for many guests. The main theater hosts production shows, guest performers, comedians, and musical acts that rotate throughout the sailing. The quality of these performances tends to punch above what guests expect, with real production value and talented performers. Beyond the theater, smaller venues throughout the ship host live music ranging from acoustic sets to jazz, rock cover bands, and pianists. Guests can easily bounce between venues throughout the evening, catching a different vibe in each one. It creates a nightlife scene that feels more like a small city than a cruise ship. The casino is another popular hangout, with table games, slot machines, and enough activity to keep gamblers entertained on sea nights. Even guests who are not there to play often stop by just for the energy and the people watching. It is one of those spaces that comes alive after dark. Cultural and educational programs are woven into the daily schedule, from destination lectures to cooking demonstrations, trivia contests, and hands-on workshops. These are especially popular on sea days when guests are looking for something engaging beyond the pool. They add a nice layer of substance to what could otherwise be a purely leisure-focused day. The spa and wellness offerings on the Norwegian Jade are a genuine draw for guests who want to treat themselves during their voyage. Treatment menus include massages, facials, body wraps, and specialty therapies designed to melt away the tension of everyday life. Booking early is smart, particularly for sea days when the spa fills up fast. Thermal areas typically feature saunas, steam rooms, and heated loungers where guests can unwind before or after a treatment. These spaces are peaceful, quiet, and often overlook the ocean, which enhances the whole experience. Many regulars consider a spa day at sea one of the best ways to fully disconnect. Salon services are available for anyone wanting a fresh look before a formal night or a special port visit. Haircuts, styling, manicures, and pedicures all get booked frequently throughout the cruise. It is a nice little indulgence that fits naturally into the pace of ship life. Fitness classes complement the gym facilities and cover a range of styles, from yoga and stretching sessions to more energetic cardio workouts. These classes provide structure for guests who like a bit of guidance rather than working out solo. Instructors tend to be encouraging and adjust to varying skill levels within the group. Wellness programming sometimes extends into seminars on nutrition, posture, or general health topics, giving guests something to take home beyond just a relaxed feeling. It is not overly aggressive on the sales side, which cruisers appreciate, though the option to purchase products is always there. The overall vibe is one of gentle encouragement rather than pressure. For families sailing with children, the Norwegian Jade includes dedicated kids and teens spaces that give younger guests their own social world. The kids club typically breaks down into age-appropriate groups, so younger children are not mixed with older ones. Activities range from arts and crafts to games, movies, and themed parties that keep the energy high. Trained staff supervise the programs, giving parents peace of mind and, honestly, a much-needed break. It is a genuine perk of cruising with children, and many families schedule their spa treatments or adult dinners around club hours. Kids often make friends quickly in these environments, which adds to the whole experience. Teens get their own hangout area separate from the younger crowd, which is important because 13-year-olds do not want to be lumped in with kindergarteners. These spaces usually include gaming setups, music, and organized events like dance parties or scavenger hunts. Teens can come and go independently, which gives them a sense of freedom while still being in a safe environment. Family-friendly programming across the ship, including pool games, movies under the stars, and character appearances on select sailings, rounds out the experience. Parents often mention that the Jade makes it easy to enjoy time together as a family and time apart, which is the real magic of a family cruise. Everyone gets what they need out of the trip. The ports of call are, for many guests, the whole reason to book in the first place, and the Norwegian Jade has a habit of visiting some genuinely rewarding destinations. Depending on the season and itinerary, the ship sails through regions rich in history, natural beauty, and cultural depth. Guests get to wake up in a new place regularly, which never quite loses its magic. Shore excursions are offered in a wide range of styles to suit different interests and energy levels. Active travelers can find hiking, snorkeling, cycling, and adventure options that get the heart rate up. History buffs can join guided tour through ancient sites, museums, and old town districts led by knowledgeable local guides. For guests who prefer a slower pace, there are cultural experiences like cooking classes, wine tastings, and scenic drives that let them soak in the atmosphere without exhausting themselves. Beach days and resort passes are also common options in warmer destinations, giving guests a relaxing break from the more structured excursions. There is truly something for every travel style. Some ports require tender operations, which means smaller boats shuttle guests from the anchored ship to shore. This adds a bit of extra time to the process, but often means visiting locations too small or shallow for a large ship to dock directly. The payoff is usually a more intimate and less crowded destination. Independent exploration is always an option for guests who prefer to skip organized tour and set their own pace. Many ports are walkable from the pier or offer easy taxi and public transport access to the main attractions. Cruisers who have done their homework often find this the most rewarding way to experience a destination. Looking at the ship as a whole, the Norwegian Jade earns its reputation as a solid, versatile choice for a wide range of travelers. Its mid-sized footprint means guests get the variety of a bigger ship without the crowds and lines that come with megaliners. It hits a sweet spot that seasoned cruisers often specifically seek out. The freestyle cruising concept remains one of its strongest selling points, giving guests the flexibility to shape each day around their own preferences rather than a rigid schedule. This is a huge win for anyone who has ever felt constrained by fixed dining times or overly structured cruise routines. It attracts a certain type of traveler who values freedom and casual elegance. On the softer side, the ship has been around for a while and has been refurbished over the years, so guests may notice occasional signs of wear in certain areas. It is not the newest ship on the water, and cruisers hoping for the latest bells and whistles found on brand new vessels may find some features feel a bit dated. However, most guests report that the character and warmth of the ship more than make up for any cosmetic quirks. Service quality is consistently mentioned as a strength, with crew members going out of their way to remember names, preferences, and small details that make guests feel valued. The overall pace of the ship feels relaxed rather than rushed, which sets a pleasant tone across the entire voyage. It is a ship that grows on people the longer they sail on it. What makes the Norwegian Jade stand out from its competitors is that blend of size, style, and destination flexibility. Not every cruise line offers a ship this size with this level of variety in dining, entertainment, and activities. It hits a mid-market target beautifully, delivering more than budget cruises without pushing into luxury pricing. The Freestyle approach is genuinely different from more traditional cruise experiences, and for many guests, it becomes the reason they keep booking with this line. Being able to dine when they want, dress how they want, and structure the day their own way appeals to modern travelers. It feels less like being on a scheduled tour and more like being at a floating resort. The ship's ability to visit a wide range of destinations, including some smaller ports that larger ships cannot reach, gives it a real advantage for itinerary hunters. Guests can experience more intimate destinations without giving up the amenities of a full-sized cruise ship. This combination is not as common as it seems and remains a genuine strength. For guests planning corporate events, group celebrations, or larger private gatherings, the Norwegian Jade offers meeting and function spaces that can accommodate various sizes. These venues can be arranged for business functions, family reunions, wedding parties, and similar events, with catering and coordination available through the ship's team. It is a lesser-known aspect of the ship but a genuinely useful one for the right groups. Onboard staff are experienced in handling group logistics, which takes a lot of stress off the organizers. Combining a private event with the standard cruise experience gives attendees plenty to enjoy outside the formal gatherings. It is a creative alternative to a traditional land-based venue. Some of the most memorable moments for guests on the Norwegian Jade come down to service and small human touches. Cabin stewards who remember exactly how a guest likes their pillows arranged, bartenders who greet regulars by name after just a day or two, and waiters who bring an extra dessert because they noticed it was a birthday all add up. These moments are what turn a good cruise into a great one. Sunset moments from the upper decks are a common highlight, as are the quiet mornings when the ship pulls into a new port and guests get their first glimpse of the day's destination. There is a certain magic to that moment that never quite gets old, no matter how many cruises someone has taken. It is one of those experiences that reminds people why they fell in love with cruising in the first place. Evening entertainment often produces standout memories, especially on nights when a particular show or performer really connects with the audience. Guests frequently mention specific performances they still talk about long after returning home. Live music in the smaller venues also creates intimate moments that feel special and personal. Ultimately, the Norwegian Jade delivers the kind of cruise experience that leaves guests planning their next voyage before this one has even ended. It may not be the flashiest or newest ship at sea, but it consistently delivers on the things that matter most. For travelers who value flexibility, warmth, and a genuine sense of adventure, this ship remains a very worthy choice.